And when I was called by Ben Kiengei, he told me, Betty niatutiga. I remember I was traveling tomorrow constituency in the barrio of Mofams, my church patron's grandmother. And I told him, Kiengei ni digoka. Leke jore joe Betty uredra muonete. Because to many, the sickness was a surprise. Kiengei told me, Gitume ambulance etukuire mwiri. I told him, let it come and represent me. But I don't want to see Betty on her deathbed. I remember, and these are the words many people can echo, that Betty Bayo was not a sound of discouragement. Many people in the music industry have sounds of discouragement. Because I remember when I was sent to pastor AIPC Gatondo Church, when I requested many of them to come and encourage me, I gimatiokire. But Betty Bayo, I remember that time they came, Betty Bayo, Rachel Jerry, and the late Rizwanyo Ike. They came and saw the church that I'll be pastoring without a fence, without a toilet. We were only I and Mofam in that church. Betty Bayo told me, this is what God has called you for. I and Betty Bayo are victims of social bullying. No Ngai ni atuhuthagira gukira aria matari matindikwo. Praise the name of the Lord. Before God uses you in public, he will break you in private. I remember hideo niguo ni na Kiengei na Betty twageragira ruo. Ona ni mateithirie Kiengei na Betty matiandeithirie. Tondu ni ndari admin wa Kilimani Moms na di Matioi ndari na Swido. Riu Kiengei ekirwo kuona mahatha make ngimuruta. Betty agikirwo kuona kanyari wake ngimuruta. Nie ndire mundu wa ndutaga